Behind me here is another fine, tidy example of a tractor that I have travelled the length and breadth of the country to find just for you. This is another Sammy special. Now, I personally oversaw the meticulous restoration that this Massey Ferguson 6290 has undergone, and I guarantee you there was no expense spared. It's safe to say it has the lucky day seal of approval, and it's ready for the vicissitudes of agricultural life. Now, it's clear as we look around this tractor there has been a lot of time and hard work put into it. But for the full details, I advise you to get to 𝗙𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗂competitions.com and check that out. And while you're there, you may as well grab yourself a ticket for only $4.97. 𝗙𝗲𝗿𝗂𝗂competitions.com, changing lives.